Over the past 2 decades, I've been super lucky to work with some of the most advanced camera technologies on the planet. From air, land, and sea, in every location, drones have opened up an entirely new perspective on how I can create content and share it with the rest of the world. This tiny little drone is incredible to me. It shoots 4K 60, it's got a built-in little monitor so you don't have to worry about any other ancillary devices. Also, it shoots a log setting, H.265. This super power-packed feature set that comes in something that fits in the palm of your hand is mind-blowing. It's incredible. It's really empowered me. You feel like you have Hollywood in your backpack or in the palm of your hand. Previously, the only way to capture these drone shots were not from a drone, we're actually from a helicopter. Now with drone technology, you are your own pilot, you are your own cameraman. All you need is the drone, and you can capture some of the most stunning aerials ever imagined.